Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to save chart image on your phone from the TradingView app. And now let's dive right in. Now to save chart image on your phone from the TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the TradingView app on your phone. And on this interface, you can see the chart button at the bottom of the screen, just beside the watch list at the bottom left corner where I'm tapping. Tap on the chart button. And over here guys, on this interface on your phone, you can see these buttons where it says the pair name and the timer and the time frame, the pen icon and the broker icon and the three dot icon. You can just swipe it to the left and this button will appear at the last where it says share, and tap on that share button. Or if you flip your phone like this, you can see it will appear right away over here at the bottom, at the most right of this tab, I guess. And you can tap on that button and you can see the save chart image over here. And currently, whichever chart you have or whichever markings or your technical analysis you did over here will be saved as a picture by tapping on it. And let's tap on the save chart image, and you can see it has been saved. You can see the TradingView screenshot was saved on a device. And there guys, this is how to save chart image on your phone from TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.